Hi there, it's Mr. Clark. Welcome to lesson 10.3.2 on other chromatic sequences. The big takeaway here is just that how composers use sequences is limited only by their imagination. So whenever you see something that feels a little sequency, try to figure out if it resembles something that we've talked about, something that you're familiar with, and if it does, go from there. See if it stays within a key, see if it moves between different keys, whether it's a fully chromatic sequence or whether it's some kind of diatonic or applied sequence, and see what you can figure out, see what it tells you. We're just going to go over one example here, and then I'll set you loose to look at your own. Here's the very opening of the Waldstein Sonata. So I'm going to play this an octave up because my keyboard doesn't go as low as this requires. So as you might expect, we're starting in C. Okay, so that's pretty clear. We started in C. 5, 7 to 5, going to 5. So we're landing on a G major chord. And, ooh. Okay, so a couple interesting things happened there. First off, measure 5, we immediately hit a B flat major. So how did we get there? We just sequenced everything down a major second. So we started on C, and we went to G, and then B flat down to F. So that would be kind of it's not exactly any of the kinds we've talked about, because it went from C down to G, down a fourth, and then up a third. It's some kind of sequence that just descends by a second, but clearly it's the same sort of material. And then the only difference is in measure 8. We've come to our 5-7 in B flat by measure 7. Then he turns it minor in measure 8. So a bit of extra chromaticism there. So just something to think about. That's what I got for you. Go out and check out some of these sequences for yourself. See you next time.